In this video, we're gonna add the in-betweens. Okay, this one pretty much it just moves down, right? Again, as we discussed before, it shouldn't just right. I will turn on the onion skin for now, and here we should turn it on here also in this layer. Sometimes you can just by also turn it on and off here in this onion skin options. You can turn on the only specific layers onion skin, and here this will come down like this way. Okay, it's not going to go like this way. So we can pretty much like, and again this is the first key pose, like let's say A, and this is B, and we can add in between here. Of course we can honor what I mean by that is when you make in between, if you know you're only gonna add one in between per se, then you can maybe if you like, right, if you don't have time to add a lot of in betweens, I mean which you shouldn't do for the homework or assignment, because you never really learn right fully like what you should learn. So not for the class homework or assignments, but like when you work for a company, or like sometimes you really don't have time to finish something because the deadline sometimes they give you so tight, then you can honor this one, right, this one in between either side. So you can have either slow out if you add, like what I mean by that is if you add I'm going to add the right now here I'm going to add the Shift J and add empty frame here. So what I mean by that is when you do in between, this one is coming down like this, and if you honor like a little more here, right, and then you draw just one in between here, so it should be somewhere around there, right? I mean this is the exact middle, I'm sorry. So instead of adding this, you can add it like around here. So center of the this hammer will come here, and as you can see, right, if I do that, this is much closer to this one than this one, right? So there's gonna be a slow out, okay, obviously. For here, for this one, we're gonna have more time, and unfortunately, and we will add not here first, right? Oops. Okay, I'm going to delete these ones also for now. We're gonna add one in between here. Okay, so in order to do that, well, actually I'm gonna add another layer here for the path. Okay, for the path, and so I'm going to make it like last long. Like, so we can see, right, we can see like the arc, right? It's not perfect arc, but more or less. So if we add, you know what, I should draw this one in maybe different colors than black. Okay, so I'm going to draw this in blue. Okay, so it's gonna move like that, and then we are adding the in-between right here. Okay, and black, and then we should be adding in this empty frame. Okay, don't get confused, and I'm going to lock these layers. Okay, this is the guideline layer, and this is the table, and you know what, for now even the for the nail layer I'm going to lock it. Okay. So we may have to change the timing for the nail to go down, but for now, and here as we discussed before, right, the easiest way to kind of like trace and then draw the in-between is trace the trace the points. Okay, like so you can trace the points, like if I may use the green. more or less it's gonna go down like this way. So find the that middle part, right? Here, if it moves, this will be from this point and this point. So if you find the that middle point, right, and then if you connect them, I mean, it's not going to be like super accurate, but more or less you will see. Okay, and the here should be somewhere like that, and then okay, and this one also. Okay, so for here I'm going to play back and see, and then I'm going to turn up that guideline. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to stop that. I'm going to delete that green line. I mean, it kind of works as if it is, you know, like a cartoony effects, but I'm just going to delete as much as I could, and I'm going to leave the other ones, you know, it's very tiny. And then if I say that again, so now the motion is evenly distributed, right? So in the next video we're gonna add a little more in-betweens to create slow out and some other stuff. Okay.